Starbucks. Good morning.
Good morning. What would you like?
I'd like a medium cappuccino, please.
Of course. With regular milk or soya milk?
With regular milk, thank you.
Great. Would you like something to eat as well?
Yes, a croissant with cream.
Perfect. To eat in or take away?
To eat in, thank you.
So, one medium cappuccino and one croissant with cream. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
That will be £4.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please take a seat. I'll bring them to your table.
Thank you very much. Sephora.
Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to Sephora. Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a small perfume for travel.
Of course. Do you prefer a sweet scent or a fresh one?
Fresh, please.
This one is very light and fresh. Would you like to try it?
Yes, thank you.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like it a lot. How much is it?
It's £4.50.
Great, I'll take it.
Perfect. Would you also like a gift bag?
Yes, please.
So, £4.50 at the till.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Enjoy your perfume and have a lovely day.
Thank you very much. Same to you.
Parking.
Good morning.
Good morning. Would you like to park?
Yes, please. Is there space?
Yes, we have space. For how many hours?
For 3 hours.
All right. The price is £6.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. We accept card and cash.
Perfect. I'll pay by card.
Thank you. Here is the ticket. Keep it in the car.
All right. Is the exit clear?
Yes, when you leave, just show the ticket.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
MC. Donald's.
Good morning. Welcome to McDonald's.
Good morning. I'd like a meal with a burger and fries.
Of course, with a small, medium, or large drink.
Medium, please.
All right. Would you like ketchup or mayonnaise?
Ketchup, please.
Perfect. Anything else?
Yes, a small bottle of water.
So, one burger meal with fries and a medium drink, plus a small bottle of water. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
That's £8.50.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Your number is 25. Please wait at the counter.
All right, thank you. With friends.
Hi, finally we meet.
Hi, it's true. It's been such a long time.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. I'm a bit tired because I work a lot. And you?
I'm tired too, but I'm happy to be here.
Great. Do you fancy a coffee or a cappuccino?
A cappuccino, thank you. And what are you having?
I'll have an espresso. It wakes me up straight away.
I prefer cappuccino. It's sweeter.
Right. Then let's order.
Waiter, 2 coffees, please. 1 cappuccino and 1 espresso.
Right away.
So tell me, how was your weekend?
It was nice. I cooked with my family and then watched a film.
What film did you see?
I watched a comedy. It was funny. And you?
I went to the cinema with a friend. We saw an action film.
Did you like it?
Yes, very much. A bit noisy, but good.
Haha, I see.
Here you are, 1 cappuccino and 1 espresso.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.
You know, we should go out more often. I enjoy talking with you.
Yes, I agree. Maybe next time we can have dinner together.
Great idea. We can go to a pizzeria.
Perfect. Then it's decided.
Check in at the airport.
Good morning.
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
To Paris.
Your passport, please.
Here you are.
Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, 1 suitcase.
Perfect. Please put the suitcase on the belt.
All right.
Is your hand luggage only this backpack?
Yes, only the backpack.
Very good. Here is your boarding pass. The gate is number 12.
Thank you. Where is the security check?
Follow the blue sign, straight ahead.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Have a good flight.
Supermarket.
Good morning. Where is the bread?
Good morning. The bread is at the back, on the right.
Thank you. And still water?
Aisle 3, on the middle shelf.
Perfect. I'll also take some fruit. Where are the apples?
In the fruit and vegetable section, next to the bananas.
Good. Can I weigh them here?
Yes, on the scale. Please print the label.
Got it. Where is the quick checkout?
Over there with the sign, up to 10 items.
Great. I have a reusable bag. Is that okay?
Of course, that's perfect.
Good morning.
Good morning. Do you have a loyalty card?
No, I don't have one.
No problem. The total is £12.40.
Here's the card.
Thank you. Would you like the receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you are. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Same to you.
Pharmacy.
Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Do you have something for a headache?
Yes, of course. Do you prefer tablets or sachets?
Tablets, please.
Good. How many do you want?
A small box.
Perfect. Do you need anything else?
Yes, vitamin C as well.
All right, here you are.
How much is it?
In total, it's £8.50.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. And
Here you go.
thank you. Here is the receipt.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. Have a nice day. Language class?
Good morning, everyone. Today we will learn how to greet and introduce ourselves. In the morning, we say good morning. In the evening, we say good evening. When we say goodbye, we can use goodbye if we will not see the person soon. We can also say see you later if we expect to see the person again. Now let's see how to introduce ourselves. We can say, good morning, my name is Laura. I am a teacher. Or, hello, I am Paul. I am an engineer. Very good. Now please make a short dialogue together.
Good morning. My name is Mark. I am a student of economics.
Nice to meet you, Mark. My name is Anna. I am a nurse.
Nice to meet you, Anna. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Fine, thank you. Goodbye.
See you later.
Perfect. Very good. Keep practicing.
Electronics store.
Good morning. I'd like to buy a pair of headphones.
Good morning. Of course. Do you prefer large ones or small travel ones?
Small ones. For the phone.
All right. We have this wired model and this wireless model.
How much is the wireless one?
It's 35 euros.
And the wired one?
20 euros.
I'll take the one for 20 euros.
Perfect. Would you like to pay in cash or by card?
By card, thank you.
Very good. Here is the receipt and the warranty.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.